I'm thinking Panna Cotta, and I know it's made everywhere, right?
Made poorly in many, many places.
Okay.
True. It really is so simple and so beautiful and very, very light. Panna Cotta means cooked cream.
Right.
Panna means cream,
right?
Especially in certain parts of Rome, and cotta means cooked.
Cooked.
So that's basically all it is.
Right. So
it's not a custard as we know it because it lacks eggs.
Right.
And it's basically made just with cream and milk and a couple of
gelatin.
other ingredients. Right.
So I'm doing it a little different. Here's a half a cup of buttermilk, gelatin. So you put that in. That's unflavored gelatin.
Sprinkle it over the top.
You sprinkle it over the top. Now we want to do that over a liquid that's cold, not hot.
Right.
So now you want to stir that in. Meanwhile, I've got 2 cups of heavy cream, and that's going to go right in this pan. If you didn't want to use heavy cream, I mean,
what kind of people are they?
What kind of people are they? But if you didn't, you could use non-fat half and half.
Yes.
You really could.
Yes, you could.
And
Just don't invite me over.
It still would be delicious. In goes the sugar. So now you stir that around. And then to flavor this even more, I like to use vanilla bean. Smell.
Smells a lot different from the stuff in the bottle.
Right. So when you have a vanilla bean, what you have to do is split it. Let me show you how this goes. Wipe off my board here. You have to take a little knife.
When buying vanilla beans, by the way, first of all, they're very expensive. So
Yeah.
if you're going to spend this kind of money, you better make sure they should be kind of moist and pliable. If
Right.
they're dry, do not use them.
Yeah. See, you see what happens if it's moist? You can get those little seeds.
Yes,
Okay.
that's right. They'll
So
flavor
we're going
your
to
sugar.
add part of the bean right in there just for flavor. We'll take it out afterwards. So now we have that. We have this, which is the buttermilk
Gelatino.
into the pan. So this is coming to under the boil. And then what we have to do is you want to butter or just use a little bit of Pam to grease up these ramekins. You can do them in half-cup ramekins, quarter-cup ramekins, whatever you want to do, because these have to chill and get solidified, right? So as you're thinking about wine, what are you thinking?
Well, here's when you want a sweet wine, and Italy makes some gorgeous sweet wines, and one of the nicest is Florus here, a lovely name. And Florus is a sweet wine made from the remember old muscadel at
I do.
from the 1950s and 60s.
Yes.
It's a terrible wine, but muscadel is a beautiful, beautiful musky grape, and it is very, very intensely sweet, so you can make a great intensely sweet dessert wine for it. And people say, well, sweet wines, isn't that very unsophisticated? Not when they're well made.
And you think this is a good one, huh?
This is an excellent one. It really, really is.
All right, I smell chops.
Yeah, I do too.
You
Shall I
better
go over there? You want? All
check
right.
get your thermometer
Okay.
out. While you're doing that, I'm going to put this into our little molds. So once you, oh wow, oh gosh, I hope you didn't burn them.
I think
All right, so you take your panna cotta and you fill up your little molds. Now you can, when you unmold these, it's fine just to have this. But I like to use a fruit sauce with this as well. Could you open the refrigerator for me, please? Okay. Oh, beautiful.